look what I got myself. Some new toys. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the LTE45 variant. Then I got the Buds Live. Then we got Note 20 Ultra 5G. I will unbox them all in their own individual videos, but we're gonna start with Note Ultra 5G. Let's see. All right. Let's open up. The phone itself, it is the Mystic Black, I think it's called. I mean, the whole fuss and excitement about that Mystic Bronze, pink, whatever it is, that's not what I like. I am more of a fan of dark phones. All right, then we have the charger. This is nothing. And then we have the USB-C. All right, so it's USB-C to USB-C. And this is a fast charger. I believe this, from the announcement, this was supposed to be 25 watt. We'll check it out. Thanks for watching. Next comes the Galaxy Watch 3.